Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bobby's Hobbies. Today we're gonna open up some NBA hoops, 2020-2021 Panini NBA hoops. These are the fat packs. I got 4 of them. There are 30 cards in each pack. We're gonna be looking for some key rookies. These are pretty hot for the year. I think they came out in February and seem to be pretty hard to find. So I was lucky to grab a few packs of these. So we'll be opening up some NBA cards today. Haven't really done any NBA unpackaging yet, so we'll see what we get. Hoping for some key people that maybe some of you know in the NBA world. I'm more of a baseball guy myself. So as you see, got a little Vladdy. Hello everyone. Vladdy here, Funko Pop, and Ace. So they'll be joining us on this opening. And let's get to it. These ones up, there we go. So I'll move these ones out of the way and let's see what we can get. And I believe the rookies are all on the bottom of the stack. And some of the main players are on the top. And then there'll be some inserts somewhere in the middle. So let's see what we can find here. Got a pretty cool looking graphic. Kind of general logos, pretty small up in the corner here. But all in all, looks pretty nice. They did a pretty good job of their design. Some upside down. And there goes my camera. And for all you basketball fans out there, let me know if I'm missing. Oh, there you go. There's Zion. That'll be his second year card. So that's a pretty good hit for my first pack. So Zion can go here. You guys can take a peek at him. Second year card. And Kevin Durant in his Nets uni. Okay, so now we got some of the shiny Cole Anthony rookie. Let's see, are these ones numbered? Don't look like they're out of any special number, but a shiny rookie is always good. I'll put that beside Zion there. And they have these inserts of the Slam, the old Slam magazines, so probably see some various ones, but T-Mac there, as you see, old Magic jersey. What do we got here? We got Damian Lillard, Trailblazers. Nice, not bad, not bad. Good player. Is it a numbered card? Nope. But an insert nonetheless. Shiny. Go for the shinies. What do we got here? That's cool. Class of 2020. James Wiseman. Class of 2020. All right. Got now the rookies. So you can see the rookie logo up in the top corner. And that'll let you know if it's a rookie card or not. And I'm not overly familiar with a lot of NBA rookies. There's Cole Anthony again. So move these off to the side. His shiny and his regular, so there's the difference there. Josh Green. All right, not bad, kind of cool. I don't know, again, much about the players, much about what's going on in the NBA world the past few years, but I'm sure something's going on. And here's our pack number 2. And here we go. Thanks for all the feedback from everyone about my last couple of videos and what you kind of wanted to see, how you wanted it to go. So doing a little bit quicker for you. I know some of you probably don't want to sit through the 35-minute videos to see what I get. And maybe some of you do. Maybe some of you like just seeing cards opening. I know when I watch some of these videos, I like just watching cards opening and packs ripping. Always fun, always good time killer, relaxing. But I get it. You guys only have so much time in your day. Do you want to sit around and listen to me talking about cards? Oh yeah, Pascal Siakam. So there you go. There is your Raptor, Pascal Siakam, shiny. So that's a cool card. Is it numbered here? Not a numbered card, but shiny nonetheless, and a known to me, so that's good. Put him in, we'll put him beside Zion there. All right, and there's your another slam card. That's to the side. And what is this? This is a shiny lights, camera, action. Carl Anthony Towns of the T-Wolves. Not a numbered card. It's all good. Frequent flyers. Got the boarding pass and all. Okay, so now back into our rookies again. See if we got any big time rookies. Anyone that I know? Where have I put my other rookies here? Patrick Williams. All right, so no rookies that I know. Again, maybe you guys know something I don't. Let's go into pack 3. We got 2 more packs to go, including this one. So halfway home. Love the sound of the rip. And it's funny when you watch these people opening up boxes and boxes and boxes of cards in their videos, you must think, holy smokes, where do all those packages go? I think they probably just toss them all on the floor and then have to clean up a big pile of mess in the end. Maybe they make enough money where they can pay someone to do it for them. Who knows? Surge. Again, Raptors. Kind of going with that Blue Jays theme. I know a few of the Raptors from their march to the NBA championship a few years ago, so familiar with a lot of those players. Definitely know Giannis, that's a cool card. Yeah, I'll put him in the Zion type category. Klay Thompson. Dwight Howard. And is this our shiny? It's a parallel because it's got that purple name on it. Not a shiny. And is it a numbered card? No. So it's just a parallel. I'm not too sure how rare the parallel purples are, but something parallel nonetheless. Like another lights, camera, action. There you go. LeBron vanity plate. It's all right. Vanity plate card. I think these are just inserts. I think there's a bunch of different ones. And that's cool. Jersey swap. And now our rookies. So let's see what we got here. All right. There's the rookies. Okay, so last pack. We're into 9 minutes in the video, so I think I've got it almost as short as I want to get it. After this pack should be about a good time for about 4 fat packs, so should be good. If you guys think that's a good solid number to look at some card openings and flipping through, let me know. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you like. Subscribe. Hit me up on that big subscribe button. Kyle Lowry, of course, the Raps. And flip this around. Lonzo Ball. There you go. One of the Ball brothers. I think his little brother's in the rookie category. Just trying to see if I can find his card. Kawhi, of course. I think a lot of people know Kawhi from his run with the Raptors. Jeremy Green. Prince. And there's another shiny type card. John Collins. The Hawks. And not a numbered card either. So it looks like the basketball ones don't really have a lot of those insert numbered cards. Maybe I'm wrong on that. This is kind of a cool slam. Like that one, that's cool. All right, another frequent flyer insert. And now, what do we got here? Arriving now. Josh Green, Mavs. All right, cool. Okay, and here's our rookies again, up the top corner. Let's see what we got. And there you go. And there's our rookies. There is our first showing. Again, NBA Hoops, Panini 2020-21, Fat Packs. There's 4 Fat Packs open, 30 cards per pack. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time on Bobby's Hobbies. Bye, everyone.